What's up guys, welcome to my channel. The OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be a major shake-up with some significant design and feature changes. The most noticeable difference is a complete overhaul of the camera module. The signature circular camera island is gone, similar to what we saw on the OnePlus 13T and 13S. It's tipped to be one of the first devices to feature the new Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, ensuring top-tier performance. It's come with a powerful octa-core CPU and GPU of Adreno. There will be 12 and 16 GB of RAM and 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of storage. On the display front, it's to feature a flat LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display with a 1.5K resolution with 6.82 inches screen size and 120 Hz refresh rate. The camera will be triple camera system and include a 50 megapixel main sensor. The OnePlus 15 will pack a big battery with a capacity of over 7000 mAh. The smartphone will run on Android operating system. Overall, the OnePlus 15 is supposed to be a game changer with a massive battery, powerful performance, and new camera innovations. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.